groundbreaking news. Real kid solutions to real kid problems. With no kidding around. News we cannot make believe. This is Morrison-TV. Broadcasting live from Morrison's bedroom, it's Morrison-TV.
Hi, welcome to Morrison-TV. If today's top story why is it hard to clean the rooms? You want to this week to find out. Reporter Everly with the story. Thank you, Morrison. We have Jared, father of two. Jared, why does kid have to clean their room?
You know, that's a really good question. As a parent, we try to teach our kids to clean their room because it develops good habits and responsibilities. Here you go.
Thanks. I get it now. Back to you, Morrison. I don't buy it.
Broadcasting live from Morrison's bedroom, this was Morrison-TV.